Hi everyone, I want to welcome you especially to my YouTube channel. Just in case you're yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button and also turn on the notification side of this channel, so when we post similar or unique videos that would guide you in your trading journey and career, you can get notified, because I'm trusting that all of our beautiful content will help you in this journey. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I passed the first stage of the $100,000 proprietary account. Just in case you've been wondering, how am I going to pass a proprietary account? It's simple, very easy. I've done a video initially in one of my previous videos. You can make reference to that video. A simple way on how you can win a prop account. It's very simple, very brief, okay? And also did a nice video on how I passed a $5,000 prop account. This time around, I'm showing you for that of 100,000. I call this one the big one, because of all of you who have been waiting, to buy the GLA, GLC, whatever it is, the Lexus. Those of you young bees, mentees who are wishing and aspiring, to live the luxurious life, because when you see those mentors with the beautiful Lamborghini, you are feeling like, oh, I wish I can actually have one just like them. What you need is big accounts like this. You need the big one, or I call it the lion share. Okay, think about buying 100K account and you just pass these accounts and you make just only 1%. Let's say 1% of this account. 1% is $1,000. Think about it. You can get enough money and you can fund your live account and you can trade as much as you can trade. Of course, with $1,000 you can make $10,000. It depends on how you trade, and that's why you need to subscribe to our mentorship. Let's teach you how you can do this. Okay, visit kfctrade.com and make sure you subscribe to our VIP channel, and we will teach you exclusively how this can be achieved. But back to the lion share, how I passed the first stage of the $100,000 account. It's very simple. Like I said, first of all, you have to look at your strategy. What strategy do you choose to employ? If it's swing, let it be swing. If it's day trading, let it be day trading. If it's trend move, let it be trend move. Whatever it is, if it's chart pattern, let it be. If it's SMC, smart money concept, let it be. Stick to the strategy that you want to use from the beginning, because just in case you don't know, the proprietary firms are more interested in the rules. There are consistency rules. You cannot just play magic on the account and expect to get funded. No, it doesn't work that way. You have to follow consistency, and consistency rules has to do with what you repeatedly do over a period of time in that account for them to confirm you as a consistent trader, because that's what this is about. I recommend for you Trade X Mastery, and if you look at the detailed part, the description part of this video, you find a registration link. Make sure you click on that link, register now, and get a 100K account. Join our VIP signal group or mentorship platform, and we would help you pass that account. It's as simple as teaching you the skill and at the same time giving you good signals that will help you pass both the phase 1 and the phase 2, just in case you are using 2-step challenge, okay, or you are using 1-step challenge. Whichever challenges will help you pass it. Quickly, let's go to my mobile device and let me show you a few things about the consistency rule, how the account moved from $100,000 to $110,000, and then I would now show you other beautiful details which you would love to see on how the entries were taken, what kind of entries you should take, what you should risk in the account so that you do not lose the account, what you are supposed to do so that you succeed with that account. Follow me through my mobile device straightly, and let's discuss a few things there. And now this is the 100K account, as you can see. So this is showing you the consistency what was done, from the beginning to the end. You can see how consistent the whole entries have been. That's all this is about, is for you to be consistent in what you do. So what you do, you repeatedly do it, at least for a period of time, so you know what you are willing to lose, what you are willing to gain. As you can see, we have gained at least $14,000 already, which would help us to pass the first stage. That's the first step of this two-step challenge account. For the consistency rules, what you need to do is, first of all, you already know the account size is $100,000. So what are you willing to risk? What stop loss are you going to be taking? What will you be willing to lose? What does the account permit you to lose? Okay, so of course, the drawdown for daily drawdown, 5%, daily drawdown of the capital. And then to pass first stage, you expect to make 8% of the $100,000. And to pass the second stage, you expect to make 5% of the $100,000. Okay, so what we do now is that as a day trader, you are able to determine for yourself, okay, what kind of entries am I going to be taking? What kind of moves am I going to be making, to achieve this result? And if you look, you see that for this particular week, these are the entries I've taken. The first one is GU. You see that it did all it did, went down a partial, and then I thought it could go bearish. It went down a partial again, and all of a sudden it decided to go bullish up to the previous take profit zone. Now, if you look at the current entry, you see that it's perfect. It just got initiated here and it's currently going up. Now, how do you calculate this? Now, what's the stop loss? If you look at this, you see that the stop loss is 20 pips and the take profit is 31 pips. What does that give you? Quickly, let's turn on our calculator so that we can be able to just see that quickly. Okay, so what it means is, if you hit stop loss 1% risk, you will be losing $1,000. You see that? So, but if you hit take profit, because you are targeting 1:3, of course, one is not really 1:3. One, you are losing 20 pips to target 30 pips. That's, you're targeting 1 ratio, let's say 1.1, because the 20 pips you are risking, 30 pips is not times 2 of it. Okay, so you cannot say 1:2. So, but because it's more than it, just with 1 time and 10, which is 30, you could say 1:1.1. So in that case, this is how you're going to calculate it. So if you gain 20 pips upward, you have $1,000. You gain 10 pips, it will give you 500. So you have 1.5 if you hit take profit. You have 1,000 if you hit stop loss. And now remember, you need 8% to pass, and you can only lose 5% in a day. So in that case, what do? You either risk 2%, depending on how fast you want this to go, because that's what I did. If I'm risking 2%, it means I'm going to be losing $2,000 if I hit stop loss, or if I hit take profit, I'm going to be gaining, let's say 1:2, I'll be gaining 4,000. And if I do that 3 consecutive times, it will give me 12,000. In that case, I have passed the $100,000 account. Now, what do you pay attention to? You pay attention to the kind of pips you're catching. For this one, you're catching 30 pips. 30 pips will eventually just give you for 2% risk on that account to get 4% risk, 4% profit. With 20 pips stop loss, 2% risk will give you, if it goes down like this, you lose 2,000. If it goes up like this, you gain 2,000 and 1,000, which is 3,000. Okay, and you do that 3 times, 3,000 3 times, you have 9, and that automatically has passed the first stage. And then you're talking about the second stage of the account. It is that simple. It is not difficult. Quickly, for those of you who have been wondering, okay, how can I get an account with TradeX Mastery? It is very simple. So all you need to do is just go click on that link, which I am already telling you to click on. The link on the description side of this video. Once you click on that link, it's going to take you straight up to TradeX Mastery. You will register, This will give you at least up to $200,000 account. As you can see, we have 10,000 as the minimum, of 200,000 as the maximum, and it can even give you more than that. The company just needs to see your consistency in trading, and they can be able to give you more and trust you with more. Now all you need to do is click on the 100k account. If that's the one you want to get, you can get it for $500, and it's that simple. What you do is just quickly proceed to payments, and you'll be able to get that account. Okay, and you can now start trading. Don't forget to subscribe to our VIP channel. It's that simple. Go to kfctrading.com. On kfctrading.com, you're going to find it here. So this is the free channel. So on the free channel, we have the free Telegram and we have the free WhatsApp. Oh, this is the July bootcamp. You click on register now and you'll be part of it, all for you all in Lagos. Make sure you take advantage of it. So this is the WhatsApp side. You click on this, it takes you straight to the free channel on WhatsApp. You click on this, it takes you straight to the VIP side of Telegram. Sorry, free side of Telegram. And you click on the VIP channel and it brings you straight here to the VIP Telegram. You click on the WhatsApp, it takes you straight to the VIP WhatsApp. Now, but you cannot gain access to any of these groups if you are not on the VIP package. So how do you get on board? You click on the mentorship plan. Once you click on the mentorship plan, you're going to find all of our packages, of which I may not be reading all the details to you, but you can see that the monthly plan is this, 3 months plan is this, 6 months, and then we have the maximum, which is the 12 month. And I always encourage my mentees and students to do the 12-month plan, because that gives you everything you need to know and everything you want for your success, or for you to succeed in your career. And this gives you full access to all our free resources and courses, and also you begin your Forex journey. Everything in the 6-month plan is in the 12-month plan. And then advanced live trading sessions, you will receive 120 minutes call with me, your mentor, and any mentor of your choice, just to create a personalized trading plan for you. And then we have the virtual graduation party after the mentorship course, and we have super priority instant support. That's because of your package. Click on enroll now, make the payment. Okay, you can do Naira, you can do crypto, and whatever it is. Then if you have any concern, you can just send us a message on WhatsApp, send us an email, just on any of these social media. You can see we have our X, we have our Telegram, and then you can call us as well, whatever you want, and we will guide you on how you can do that. Don't forget that we have the mentorship courses, which is here. So once you have subscribed to that, automatically you have access to all the VIP mentorship courses, of which you are expected to do these courses from VIP course 1 to VIP course 7 before graduation. This should take you, let's say, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. This should take you about 7 months, and then let's give and take 5 months practice. In 12 months time, you should become a master in trading. I hope this is sufficient for you to get all the information you need to get on this. Now, someone should not say that we are just interested in getting money from you. No, the content and the materials here cost money to get done. Okay, and so what you are paying value of what you're about to receive. Apart from that, we have the free things we've done for you, of which you can see training videos, adequate training videos that can help you get adequate information that will help you succeed in trading. We also have the market outlook that also helps you see with me what I'm seeing in the market and guides you on what you can do exactly to succeed in the market. We have the live trading classes that comes up 1 p.m. every Monday GMT +1. You can see it, live trading session with me every Monday GMT 1 p.m. GMT +1, and all of these things are gathered and designed to help you succeed in the space. Here are some of what our students have to say about KFC trading. Alex Chisanga from Zimbabwe, he says the beginner courses were extremely helpful and easy to understand. Now I feel more confident making trades. And we have Cletus Kingdom from Nigeria. The advanced strategies taught here have taken my trading skill to the next level. I have seen a significant improvement in my trading success. A lot of more things to be said by the students. What would you say about us? What would you say about us? Also, we have the one-on-one mentorship. If you click on it, you're going to be having a one-on-one mentorship with me. It is not expensive. It's just 350,000 naira. and $200 for those of you in dollars, foreign currency, in case you don't know the value of that. Okay, and I will be mentoring you directly. Okay, on your trading career or your trading journey. What exactly do you want from us? Do you want to earn? It's simple. You click on earning and you can donate. Okay, you can subscribe for account management, whether prop will help you pass, whether live account will help you pass. 50-50 is the profit share. 10% of the size of the account is what you pay for passing, or you do partnership donation. Any of these can help you in with KFC trading. I hope with this video you've been able to learn so much about how you can make it big. Think about it, $100,000 account giving you just 10% profit, which is $10,000. Think about it. For those of you in this country, you know how many millions is that? That's a lot of millions. It can help you, pay you several bills, do a lot of things. What are you waiting for? Go straight to the description side of this video, click on that link. TradeX Mastery is what I recommend for you, because we're partnering with them. Register with them now and get a 100k account. Go to kfctrading.com, our website, subscribe for our VIP package, join our VIP group, and we'll give you VIP signals that will help you pass that account in a short time and make your first payout. And I'm sure when you make your first payout, it will be mind-blowing. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can get contents like this that will help you succeed, learn, and do well in your trading career. And don't also forget to turn on the notification button or the notification side of this channel, so when we post the video you get notified and you get to know what is up. Until the next time when I do beautiful videos like this to help you succeed in trading, make sure you keep winning. I'm rooting for you. See you soon.